Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guess what? We are in the shooting location for Emily in Paris. Right behind me is the famous apartment that she lived. And today's videos, I want to show you different locations, the chocolate croissant, Gabrielle's restaurant, and maybe more. So let's follow me, have an amazing day in Paris, just like Emily. Here we are at the shooting location of Emily in Paris. That's the famous chocolate croissant, and that's the Gabrielle's restaurant. And her building is right up there, so we're gonna kind of walk around, get croissant. And we're gonna do a little lunch here, I guess. So let's do it. So this is it. Is this the one? Doesn't look like it. So let's see if this is really good or not.
You can't see it.
It's good, but I want to say the best croissant ever. It's good. Oh, this tour guide. Let me show you guys. Oh, the Emily in Paris sightseeing. The same thing too. Well, our first croissant in Paris. Okay, so we'll finish the chocolate croissant. It's actually not too bad. And this is Gabrielle's restaurant. Maybe we come here for lunch. Oh, it's like a tapas style?
No, it's Italian.
Italian, okay.
It says Restaurante
Yeah.
Food of Italy.
Well, I can totally see live here too. It's beautiful. I am so excited that I was able to come here to check out Emily in Paris shooting locations. This is so cute. That's where they're having a meal. Oh my gosh, we're here. I can't believe we're here. Wow. This is amazing. So this is the fountain. Remember the scene that they are having a birthday party right down here? I don't even think you're allowed to do that though. Like, if you live here, can you really have a table here, having dinner here? That's probably just for the show.
Oh, you might.
Yeah.
You might.
And good looking French guys. This is adorable. And we're so lucky. So it's raining today, but right now it stopped raining. So we're able to walk around with the umbrella. And now we are going to the most beautiful street in Paris.
So that's the name of the street there. Rue de l'Abreuvoir, I think. French is bad for me.
It's alright. Well, now because you say it, it is the most beautiful street. So do you guys think this is the most beautiful street in Paris? I think it's charming. Those beautiful stream pears by Emily. I wonder what French people really think about this.
Probably hate it.
Probably hate it. Hey guys, okay, so we're at the Cafe de Florence, and this is one of the locations that Emily and Paris filmed here. And also it's a very iconic cafe in Paris. First time here, so I'm very excited to dine in here. The only thing is, you see the top? There's no flower. I guess in the springtime there's a lot of flower on there, but now it's going to fall season, so there won't be a good flower. That's okay, I'm still here, so let's go and check out this amazing restaurant. French onion soup. This is my first time I have French onion soup in France. It's not as salty as the US version. It's good. Like, there's a bacon in there, right? It tastes so good.
The cheese is the best part.
Whoa.
Good, isn't it?
It's better than the US one.
Entonces,
I would try again.
¿te sabes la historia de la... No, porque es un lugar abierto que está afuera, no tenemos que...
I love the freshness.
Very French. And this is not cheese, it's just potato.
Oh yeah.
A little bit dry, but it's good. Flavor's good.
Out of the three, this is the weakest one.
El ganado es
not bad. Okay, so what do you think about this? Is this the most beautiful string in Paris? Leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching my video today, and make sure you subscribe, like, and comment this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.